Chances are you're here because you keep seeing a message on your Mac that says your system has run out of application memory. And that's what I'm here to talk to you about today. I'll explain what exactly that means and what steps you can take to fix it. So first, what does this error message mean? The easiest explanation is that you have too many apps running for your computer to handle. Your Mac uses RAM and the hard drive for temporary storage. And when there's no more space to store this temporary data, that's when you'll see this error. Now that you know what's causing that error message, how do you fix it? I'm glad you asked. Here are 6 ways. Number 1. Clean up your hard drive with CleanMyMac X. CleanMyMac is an app that was made for just this purpose. It's designed to help optimize your Mac's performance. The great news is that you can download it for free at the link in the video description and try it out for yourself. For the purposes of this video, we're going to use it to get rid of any system junk you might have on your hard drive. Once you have CleanMyMac X installed, open it up. Click System Junk and then Scan. When the scan is finished, click Clean. And that's it. The next thing to try is restarting your Mac. You probably won't want to try this until after you finish watching, for obvious reasons. But it's fairly easy when you're ready. And before you do this, make sure you save anything you're currently working on. All you need to do is click on the Apple icon in the top left corner, and then Restart. And click Restart once more to confirm. Another quick and easy tip is to update your Mac. Whenever you start getting odd error messages, it's possible they're being caused by a bug in Mac OS. So checking for updates is a great way to make sure everything is running as it should be. To check, you just need to click on the Apple icon in the top left. Then click App Store and select Updates. Now go ahead and install any updates you have waiting. Another thing you can try is the Mac OS storage management features. Again, click the Apple icon, and this time, About This Mac. Open the Storage tab, then click Manage. Now click Select Recommendations in the sidebar to see all of the storage management tips Apple recommends. You can run all of them if you'd like, but the most important one to select is Optimize Storage. Something that can take up a lot of space on your hard drive without you realizing it are your apps. Some apps can be a couple gigs big, so if you're not really using them anymore, it's a good idea to get them off your computer to save space. Just open a new Finder window, go to your Applications folder, and drag them to the trash. Or for a cleaner, easier method, you can use CleanMyMac X to help. The last tip is probably the most obvious, but not necessarily the easiest. If you're running out of space with your RAM, install some more, which is admittedly easier said than done. This is the last step in our video for very good reasons. It's the most costly and not possible on many current Macs. If you do have a Mac with upgradable RAM, then you'll still have to take it to the Apple Store or an authorized service center to have it done. It's not a step for everyone, but it's definitely worth keeping in the back of your mind. With that said, that's all the time we have for today. Don't forget to check out the video description for that link to CleanMyMac X or any other additional details. Remember to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with tips and tricks for using your Mac. We'll see you on the next video.